Hello everybody, in today's episode I will show you how to make your car plastics like new again. As you can see on this car the plastics are all fade out, and in order to make them like new you have to use a heat gun like this one. The heat will melt the plastic from the top of the parts, and as you can see it will make them black again, and also it will make them look like new. To begin, all you have to do is to take your heat gun and make sure you let a little distance between your heat and the plastic parts, because you don't want to melt them. All you want to do is to heat them a little, and when you see that the plastic is turning black, you have to move forward. Don't stay in one place, because otherwise you will melt the plastic. As you guys can see, this is a very easy and cheap way to make your plastic look like new again. I think I spent 20 bucks on this heat gun, and it's working perfectly, and it's very easy to use. The good thing about this is that you can do it everywhere. You can do it in your parking lot, in your garage, at your home, everywhere. You just need some electricity to power the heat gun. So guys, this is all you have to do in order to make your plastic look like new again. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.